So guys, for the last part in this, so what I did is, and that is E, G sharp, and I landed on the 4, which is the A major chord, and that is A, E, A, C sharp, and E. But I'm slurring that B to the C sharp there just to give us a kind of effect. You understand? Okay? So that next movement is D sharp, E, B. But as I'm landing on that B, my left hand goes to this chord, and that is G sharp, E, and F sharp. So this one is the next one. So this is D sharp, E. Then, as I'm landing on that A sharp, my left hand goes to the 2, which is F sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. Then the next one is, and it's just E, A. But my left hand is landing together with that A. So my left hand is playing this chord, which is B and F sharp. So that's actually like the 5, okay? One more time. So that's it. So on this 5, I'm playing, which is the E major chord, first inversion, and that is G sharp, B, and E. And the next chord on my right hand, the switches are being done on the right hand, so just concentrate on the right hand. The left hand stays static at that B there. So, like I said, we played the E major chord first inversion first. And the next chord is the B major chord second inversion, and that's the 5. So that is F sharp, B, and D sharp. Then goes down to the first inversion of the B major chord, which is also the 5, and that is D sharp, F sharp, and B. Yeah, so then so this is real easy, and my left hand is like my right hand is doing. So as I'm landing on this, that's when I land on 1 here. So the first chord here is I'm a worry guy, you understand? So a delta guy to be precise. So this is yeah, this is D sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. I'm losing concentration somehow, so don't mind me. So, and that's a C sharp, F sharp, and B. Yeah. So they are both quarter chords. So as I'm landing on that, that's when I land on this. I hope you get it. So the left hand is just playing one chord. That is E, B, and G sharp. The left hand stays intact, and I just play these 5 chords, the B major chord, second inversion, and that is F sharp, B, and D sharp. So that's all. That's all.